Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abhinash. Thank you so much for giving so much of love in my last vlog. So you might be thinking what I am doing in the sunlight right now. So I came to Chennai, as you know, for my major project, final year major project, and right now I am near my college. So you can see my college SRM in the backside, and I am right now in my friend's terrace. So let me show you our major project. So right now the setup which you are seeing is our major project, final year major project. If I say about the topic for our project was desalination of seawater using phase changing material and nanoparticles. So for nanoparticles we have used coconut shell, and for phase changing material we have used paraffin wax. So if I say that our main aim for making this project was that, as we know that only 3% of water is available for sustaining life on the earth. So we thought of making a project which can be helpful for the mankind in the nearby future. Setup which you can see in white color is solar still setup. So most of the countries on the earth have started facing the depletion of fresh water, and some of the residents in the part of the world, they are consuming or drinking the contaminated water. So there is an increase in trend globally for the finding of different sources to use our renewable resources, and distillation process through sun is one of the major. Distillation process using solar still is the process in which we use the energy from the sunlight, and it is used to separate fresh water from salts and other contaminants. So what we have done, we have taken the sea water from Marina Beach, 80 liters of sea water, and we have poured it inside the setup. You can see this is the sea water which we have taken from Marina Beach. You can see this is the sea water which we have taken from the Marina Beach, and the white color deposits which you are seeing, these are the salt which are deposited after vaporization, and the water and these are the droplets which you are seeing. These are the fresh water droplets. See the droplets which you are seeing, these are the fresh water droplets. So what we have done, we have made a setup. So this is our setup. The white color setup which you are seeing is a solar still setup. So we have made our setup at 10-degree inclination, so that the fresh water which is depositing on the glass can easily drop and can be collected here, and through pipe it can be collected in our collecting tank. As you can see, the water below which is collected, this is the fresh water. For storing the sea water, we have used aluminium. As you can see, this is aluminium. So we have used aluminium and we have colored it black, so that sunlight can be easily absorbed by it. And below this aluminium we have paraffin wax and coconut shell as our nanoparticles. So the main reason of using coconut shell is that this is very economical for use, and it is very economical, cheap, and it can be easily available. So with the help of coconut shell and paraffin wax, it increases the thermal conductivity of the water, and even after the sunlight, even after the sunset, we can easily get the fresh water, and the process even in the night it is continue due to the use of paraffin wax and coconut shell as a nanoparticle. We try to show you guys the paraffin wax which we have used. It's very tight, and my teammates are downstairs. So okay, I will post the photo. I have the photo of this setup.
ऐसे होता पता है ना, ऐसे ही ना, कंफर्म
नैनो पार्टिकल डाल रहा है. Yes, without the use of paraffin wax and nanoparticles, we have got our output as around 1.6 liters of water for 80 liters of seawater, and for after the use of paraffin wax, we have got around 2.7 liter of output after 3 days, and with phase changing material, paraffin wax and carbon nanoparticles, coconut shell, we have got our output as around 3.3 liters for 80 liters of seawater, which is pretty much good. Actually, if I say about our process, what happens during the sunlight falls on the glass door, and it is easily absorbed by this black color aluminium storage. container. And what happens after evaporation, the the fresh water deposits on the glass, and with the help of incline, as we have made our setup to be 10-degree incline, the fresh water directly comes to the storage tank. As you can see, these are the fresh water which is collected here, and finally it comes to our container. The water which comes as a fresh water is better and good because it's not boiled water, it's evaporated water, and it's better as compared to the boiled water which we drink in our. We have also sent the sample for water testing, and the results are pretty much good. And if I say about why we have used cotton, coconut shell and paraffin wax, this is the reason because after the use of coconut shell and paraffin wax, the experiment was continued in the night also, since the coconut and paraffin wax has a very high thermal conductivity. So the process that's it for the video, and you can see my lovely college, beautiful college SRM right now. Day after tomorrow I will leave Chennai. So thank you. So if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. That's it for now. We will meet soon. Thank you.